Thanks for checking out my cooking channel. I'm delighted to announce a release of my new cookbook, the Thai Cookbook, Wicked Wild Thailand. This has over 100 recipes in there with lots of wonderful photos and stories of my life out there traveling as on my 750 Shadow motorbike. I learnt most of the dishes on the road in Thailand with this. I wrote, shush, my doggies. I wrote most of the diaries at the time, well, I wrote all of the diaries at the time while I was out there. There are also stories of my life out there as a professional chef, having to deal with hairy, scary suppliers, corruption, death threats and snakes in the office. So it's all in there, folks. Thank you to all of those who have purchased the book already. I really appreciate that very much, right? Don't forget, for those who haven't, send me the receipt to the email address on the screen so I can enter you into my lottery system. And don't forget to put those reviews on Amazon. That's super important. Those gold stars mean the world. Okay, people do read them. They want to know your thoughts. When you type in the Thai Cookbook, this comes in at the top of the list with all those hundreds of other Thai cookbooks. This is the #1 on the list, so that's thanks to your support. Thank you very much for that. I really appreciate it. There are over 45 cooking videos to go along with this, which are released twice a week, every week from now until early next year. Every Wednesday, every Friday. So you can keep coming back, checking the book, checking the recipes on the video. So check that out, folks. I'm Ian Sherlock, and this is my cookbook. Here's how it works. Buy the book, send me the receipt. Send the receipt to this email address on the screen. The receipt then goes into my lottery system. When I get my first 100 purchases, and I'm not far off, right, I'll announce a Facebook Live lottery system. Third prize, anything under $20 US from my chef shop. Second prize, anything under $30 US from my chef shop. And the first prize is a $50 cash voucher sent to you wherever you are. After that, your name goes back into the lottery system. So share away. The more you share away, the more purchases, the more you tell your friends. You win, I win, we all win, right? So don't forget to spread the word. After that, every 500 purchases, I will ump up the prize value. Now here's the big prize. If I can get 10,000 purchases between now and the next 6 months, here's what you're going to win. Third prize, $500 US cash sent to you wherever you are. Second prize, $1,000 US sent to you wherever you call home. And the first prize, the big grand prize, is a trip to Saint Lucia here in the beautiful Caribbean. You for two, right? I'll fly you in wherever you call home. You will stay at the beautiful exotic St. James Club on the island. Yes, it's an all-inclusive property, which means the food, the booze, the drink, the food, the booze, the drink, that's all on me too, folks. Yes. And I will fly you around my beautiful island. Fly you, show you. I won't fly you. I don't own a jet. Right? If you happen to live on the island and you win, I'm not going to send you down the road. That wouldn't be nice. I'll send you off to Jamaica for a week on me with the same package. So don't forget, folks, buy the book, send the receipt. Go on Amazon, send me the review. Review is so important for sales. Tells the other folks what you think. Don't forget to check out all my other social media, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And subscribe to all of those. Subscribe to my YouTube cooking channel, Chef Sherlock. Then you know what's going on in Sherlocksville, right? So thanks a lot. Thanks for the support. I really, really appreciate it. Thanks for watching, folks, and bon appetit.